Hey, how's it going? My name's Silas Haig, and in this video, I want to share with you how you can create a logo completely free with a transparent background. So before I get into it, I just want to say, first of all, I'm not a graphic designer, like I said in my last video. And if you want this kind of thing, if you want an amazing logo that you're just blown away with, I would recommend going down the professional route, either hiring someone through something like Upwork or Fiverr or something like that. I've done that in the past and I was really happy with the result. But if you're committed to doing it yourself, if you want to save yourself some money, or if you want something that you can tweak constantly and change, then I understand. And this is why I'm sharing this, so that you can learn how to do it, but just accept from the outset that it will never be as good as anything the professionals do. It's best just to keep it very simple and have nothing fancy. So with all that being said, let's get into how to do it. So first of all, you want to have some kind of icon for your logo. So what I like to do is go to a site called flaticon.com or Flaticon. It's just flaticon.com. So once you're in flaticon.com, you can just search for any kind of icon. So I'm going to do something to do with looking fit and health and wellness, something like that. Let's go for strawberry. And this, you'll see why in a sec, why I'm going for something like this. Now, I also like to get some filters on this search button. So just to find the free ones. And also I personally just like the multicolored ones. So feel free to have a mess around with these different filters. Now, I like this strawberry here. So what we'll do is we'll click that one, click the one you want, and then just simply download it. And then just click that, click PNG, and then click free download. Now, as it says here, you need to give attribution to the person that's created this icon. So if you're doing it for your website, it's quite simple. For Flaticon, you just simply need to copy and paste this here, and then put it at the bottom of each web page where you have the logo. Now, if you don't want to do an attribution, there are plenty of other sites out there. I've got a big list of them that I can share with you at the end, but I just prefer Flaticon because it has a lot of nice multicolored ones, whereas those are very basic, but you don't need to provide any attribution. So once you've downloaded your picture, I've got my strawberry. Oops. Then you just go to a site called Canva.com. Now, I love this. This is just the best site for creating any kind of marketing material or anything, any kind of graphic design work. And then we want to create a design, and we want to click custom dimensions, 600 width and 100 height, create new design. And then once we're in here, we can just simply click and drag and drop our strawberry in there. As you can see, I've already got lots of different ones when I've been playing around with it. And then once it's loaded, you can click that and we'll just drag that and put that in the bottom corner. Something like that. And then we obviously need some text. So this is just me doing it and me playing around. With all this, you can, take your time and have a mess around and play with all sorts of different things. But just again, remember just to keep it simple. I'm going to go for this text here. We don't need that. Now, I'm just creating a dummy site, but I actually do need this later on. So this is my logo, looking fit, feeling happy. And as you can tell, this is just nothing, not an amazing sounding title, but yeah, logo. And then just mess around with the font size. Maybe we'll make that a bit smaller there. And you can play around with the line height and things like that. We'll drag it in a little bit closer. and a bit closer there. Maybe something like that. Now this is just me doing it as I'm recording. So obviously you might want to spend a bit more time going through this. Yeah, something like that. Actually, maybe we'll do it smaller and we'll do one either side. So yeah, just you can play around with all of these different aspects within it, and if you want to duplicate it, just go duplicate there. And there we go, we got 2 strawberries, one either side. Wonderful. And then we want a bit more color in this. So what you can do is you can go here, and if I move this out the way, this shows the photo colors, so you can actually use the colors from the picture to match the different parts of the text. So I'll just do that, and we'll go for the red color. We'll go for the darker red. Let's see. And highlight that one, and that can be the darker green, and we'll see what that looks like. And there we go, we've got a logo there. And as you can tell, this isn't perfect, but this is how you create something quite simple. And then once you've got your logo sorted, just simply go download and click download there, and you'll get your design downloaded. But it's still not a transparent background. So if you want it to blend in with a background on your website, rather than just having this white background where it can kind of look out of place, you now want to go to a site called onlinejpegtools.com/make-jpg-transparent. And this is just a handy little tool to make any JPEG transparent. So just drag in your picture here, and there we go. I have to keep moving me around. And you can see here it's removed the background. Now you can mess around with this to remove this percentage, to remove more or less of the background. Sometimes you might go more, sometimes a bit less. As you can see, it's not making much of a difference here, but if you had different colors, like some light colors, it might make a difference. And then when you're done with that, just click Save As and Download. And there you are. So that's pretty much it. You can just take that and use that on any of your websites or anything else, any other kind of material. Just remember to do the attribution if you're using Flaticon. Now, as I said, if you want a list of all of these different icon sites that I have, free icon sites, and a load of different amazing free software and things like that. If you join my group, the Young Freelancers and Solopreneurs group, when you enter, I'll actually give you my list of over 80 different free tools and softwares that I use that I've picked up in my online business journey. And I'll share that with you too. And also within this Facebook group, I can provide a lot more kind of group support and sharing a lot more tips and strategies within that as well. So if you'd like to join, I'll leave a link in the description of this YouTube video. Other than that, I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I'll see you in another video.